Hi everyone, I hope you're having a beautiful day. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I put on my Dream Glitter Lip Kit. This is what my packaging looks like, and on the back I have instructions, but I'm going to do a video for you showing you exactly how. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so in your little box you will have your nice glitter pot. Yes, I said pot and not pot because I wanted to make it a little more futuristic. And this is my Caliente red. And I also have my gel bond, which is what is going to hold it all together. And you'll have your applicator that you put on the glitter with one side, and with this little tip you just clean the edges, and that's what you do. Okay, so the first thing you do, line your lips. I'm using the Caliente red, but I'm going to line it with a nude color. You can use a red color, that's fine. And then this next step, you can either go directly with the gel bond and then put on the glitter directly, or you can use a lipstick or a lip gloss that is matte, and then you can put the gel bond on top of that and then put the glitter on top of that. Whatever you prefer. If you want to use less glitter, then of course you would use a base that has the color. In this case, red. So let's go for it. Lining my lip. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of the red lip gloss. It's matte. And once I do that, then I'll follow up with the gel bond. Okay, now I am going to apply my gel bond and do one lip at a time. And not even the full lip, I think you should do half. And then apply the glitter on top of that, and then move on to the other half and do the rest the same way. Okay. So now I put my glitter into my cap. I wet my sponge and I'm gonna go in. Now remember, you have to dab it on, not stroke, because then that's gonna cause clumping. That's how you do it. And continue. So here is the big reveal, my Caliente red lips. And I clean the edges with my sponge applicator. And I am ready for a night out. Or if you're bold, make it a day out. Why not? There you go.